Hello. In this video, we will show you how you can transfer your corporate secretary to Sleek. Once you have created an account and logged into our platform, select Transfer Corporate Secretary to Sleek for my existing company, and click on Start Now. On this page, you will have to fill in all the required information. Once it's all done, click on Save and Next. You can either select Sleek's registered address and mailroom service or stick to your own business address. Once done, click on Save and Next. On this page, you have to select whether or not you have a local resident director. If you don't, you can select on our nominee director services. You can then add the details of your respective directors and shareholders. You can add your director as a shareholder as well. Once done, click on Save and Next. Over here, we will share with you our accounting packages depending on your business type. You can select the relevant option and then click on Save and Next. Lastly, you can choose an accounting package that suits your business. You can click on More Details if you need more information. Once you have selected a package, click on Save and Next. You can now enter your payment details. If you want to pay via bank transfer, you can click on the option below and we will then email you our bank account details. Once you have entered the relevant information, click on Confirm. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions. Thank you.